Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gauge 3 Designs, and I am back with another episode. Today I'm working on a suite. Um, it's a close-up view of a table that's in front of a bedroom with French doors. So I'm going to do like a close-up on the table itself. So we're going to add texture here, and we're going to add texture to the bowl and the vase with the plant and the glass, and we're just going to go ahead and add textures throughout this space. I did this in Revit 2019, exported and imported into SketchUp Pro 2018, and it kind of gives you a blank canvas. And the 3D warehouse stuff came in this way also, so got a blank canvas there, so we can just start adding our Thea Render 2.0 textures. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so real quick, let's go ahead and do a real-time rendering. So most of this is white. I went ahead and I added a texture back here. I'm not going to do much in the bedroom. That's going to stay the way it is. I may color the crown molding there to be able to see it. Now that I see it in the rendering, it's kind of hidden. You know something's there, but the detail is not shown. So we're just going to add some Thea Render textures on these bowls and glass and also this table. And let's see what we got going. So let's go ahead and stop that there. So first, let's start with the table. I'm gonna do a wood table. Okay, I was thinking this initially, but let's see what else. That's a short board. I kind of wanted a long board. Yeah, here we go. And for this vase, I want to attempt to, I'm going to make this glass and I want to attempt to put water inside. So we're going to do this. On the inside texture here, we're going to make it aqua. So liquids here, apply that there. Let's get these. Okay, and for the outside, we're going to use thin glass. Where is it? Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and make this thin glass also. Apply a silver texture on that. Silver is fine. So right here, let's just do a quick rendering. I'm curious about this. Let's do a quick rendering. Nice. Nice. Okay, this came out pretty good. Alright, let's continue. So let's add some texture to the bowls. So let's look at a white. So right here. Add it there. White top. Consistent. These here. Check the rendering. Alright, let's add a texture to represent these chopsticks. Now let's find a wood to represent chopsticks. Okay. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, we'll leave the tips white. And the door I want to leave white. But the wall surrounding it, I want to do a different color. Maybe a sand. We'll just copy, we'll just sample from here. Zoom in a bit. That there. We'll do the same here. here. And let's go ahead and add a Thea gold texture. Go to polished. Here we go. Let's go ahead and do a render and see where we are. Ah, nice. It's looking good. It's looking real good. I'm thinking instead of white now, I think that door, I'm going to go ahead and give it like a gray texture. Let's try a different texture on the door. And I think I may add a light back here. Just not too much though, just a subtle light. Minimize this, go to diffuse. Let's try a gray. Okay. Or I may actually, I think I may do a wood. Cherry might be too bright, but we'll try. Yeah, it's a little too bright, too orange. Let's try a different one. A dark fine wood would be nice. Okay, and it makes me want to change the walls back white. I think I like this. Maybe too dark though. I think I'm gonna go like all gold here. Okay, that was too dark. Let's try that gray. Ooh, look at that gold. Okay, this is nice. Now let's turn the wall back white. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I like the white. I like the white better. Let's just go ahead and try it. So under tools panel, we select our light bulb. So select the light down here. Let's just go up here and go down. And we're gonna bring it back. We're not gonna have it by the door. I'm gonna select number 11. And we're gonna do, you know what, 10 was fine. We'll do 10. Okay, let's go back to our scene. All right, let's see what we got. Nice, nice. I really like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in behind this French door. I'm gonna go ahead and match those colors because you can kind of see the white behind there. So I need to get that and add that gray texture. I may go in here and hit this lamp, maybe light it up a little bit, and change the crown molding up here. And I may add some side pictures here on the side just to give it some more decor. So I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you found it informative. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.